Welcome back to another XXOTO software tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the expand function, which is a quick and easy way to either expand or shrink the edges of your selected shapes. This feature is especially useful for creating edge wraps on vehicles. Here's how to use the expand function. 1. Click or drag to select the shape you want to modify. 2. Click on the expand function. In the pop-up dialog box, you'll see options to either expand or shrink the edges of your shape. 3. By default, the setting is Expand All, which will expand the edges of the entire shape. If you uncheck this option, it will switch to shrinking the edges instead. 4. Next, choose the amount of expansion or shrinkage you want. You can either use XXOTO's default length options or enter a custom value. All measurements are in millimeters. For example, if you choose 2 millimeters, the shape will expand outward or shrink inward by 2 millimeters. 5. Once you've set your desired dimensions, click OK to apply the changes. Your shape will now be adjusted according to your settings. 6. It's a good idea to use the projection function before making these changes so you can see a before and after comparison of your shape. While the expand function is great for making quick changes to all edges at once, the inset expansion function allows for more precise, localized adjustments. If you want to work on specific areas of your shape, make sure to check out our tutorial on the inset expansion function. That's it. You now know how to use the expand function to quickly adjust the edges of your designs. This tool is perfect for making simple yet effective changes to your shapes, especially for vehicle wraps. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and techniques with XXOTO software. Thanks for watching.